Have you ever wondered how some people seem to make their money work for them while others constantly struggle with financial instability? The answer, my friends, lies not in the amount of money they have, but in how they manage it. Money management, you see, isn't just about saving or spending. It's a strategic approach to handling finances that can transform your life in ways you've never imagined. Let's talk about Raj, a common man with common struggles. His life was a constant juggle between his income and expenses, a story we're all too familiar with. He was always running after money, but it seemed like an elusive butterfly, always just out of reach. Debts piled up, savings dwindled, and financial stress became a constant companion. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? But one day, Raj stumbled upon a system so powerful it had the potential to turn his financial life around. This wasn't a get-rich-quick scheme or a shady investment plan. No, it was something far more potent. It was the world's most powerful money management system. It didn't promise instant wealth. Instead, it offered something much more valuable: the promise of financial stability and the power to make money work for you. Like a master chess player planning his moves, this system allowed Raj to strategize his financial decisions, not just react to them. And the transformation was incredible. Debts began to shrink, savings started to grow, and for the first time in his life, Raj felt in control of his money. It was as if he'd been given a new lens to view his finances, one that showed him the full picture, not just the monthly bills and debts. Money management, you see, is a skill. And like any skill, it can be learned, practiced, and mastered. It's not about the size of your income, but how you use it. It's about making strategic decisions that align with your financial goals, not just living paycheck to paycheck. So, let's uncover the secret behind Raj's financial transformation. After all, if a common man like Raj can do it, so can you. And remember, it's not about having more money, but about managing it better. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Your engagement means the world to us. So what is this powerful system that turned Raj's life around? It's none other than the 50-30-20 rule. This rule, simple as it sounds, has the potential to transform your financial life. It's a system that allows you to allocate your income in a balanced and efficient manner, providing structure to your spending and saving habits. Here's how it works. Imagine your income as a pie, split into 3 parts. The first slice, the largest, amounts to 50%. This half of your income should be directed towards your needs. These are the essentials, the non-negotiables: your rent or mortgage, groceries, utility bills, healthcare, and so on. These necessities form the foundation of your life, and thus they take up the largest chunk of your income. The second slice, making up 30% of your income, is allocated to your wants. This is your fun money, your permission to indulge, whether it's dining out, a trendy new gadget, a vacation, or a Netflix subscription. This is where you get to spend on what brings you joy and enhances your lifestyle. It's equally important to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Finally, the remaining 20% of your income goes towards savings or paying off debts. This is your future-proofing slice, the piece of the pie that ensures you're prepared for unexpected expenses and are building a nest egg for your future. This could be contributed towards your retirement fund, an emergency savings account, or to pay off credit card debts or loans. This 50-30-20 rule is not just a budgeting system, it's a philosophy of financial balance. It encourages you to take care of your present needs, enjoy life, and secure your future all at once. And the beauty of this system is its flexibility. You can tweak it to fit your financial situation and goals. But how did Raj implement this system, and what were the results? Well, we'll dive into that in our next segment. Stay tuned to learn more about how the 50-30-20 rule can be put into action and the transformative effects it can have on your financial health. Raj started by categorizing his expenses into needs, wants, and savings. He began by identifying his essential needs. These included his rent, groceries, utility bills, and other necessary expenses that he couldn't do without. These were expenses that were of utmost priority and were allocated 50% of his income. Then he moved on to his wants. This category included expenses that, while not essential, added value and enjoyment to his life. Things like dining out, going to the movies, or buying the latest gadgets. These were not necessities per se, but they were important for his overall happiness and well-being. He allocated 30% of his income for these wants. The remaining 20% of his income was directed towards savings. This was his future-oriented category. It included things like emergency funds, retirement savings, and investments. These were not immediate expenses, but Raj understood the importance of planning for the future. Implementing the 50-30-20 rule wasn't a walk in the park for Raj. He had to make tough decisions, and sometimes he had to forego some of his wants to meet his needs and savings targets. But what kept him going was the larger picture. He understood that by making these difficult choices today, he was securing a better financial future for himself. Raj also learned to be more mindful of his spending habits. He started to question every purchase and asked himself whether it was a need, a want, or if it could contribute to his savings. This helped him curb impulsive buying and made him more conscious of where his money was going. It took some time, but slowly and steadily, Raj started seeing the difference. He was no longer living paycheck to paycheck. He had a safety net in case of emergencies. He was able to enjoy his life without going overboard. And he was also investing in his future. And just like that, Raj was no longer living paycheck to paycheck. He had successfully implemented the 50-30-20 rule in his life, and it was a game changer. He was no longer stressed about his finances, and he felt more in control of his financial future. It was a liberating experience. So, what did the 50-30-20 rule really do for Raj? Well, let's delve into that. First and foremost, Raj gained financial stability. No longer was he living paycheck to paycheck or losing sleep over unexpected expenses. The rule carved a clear path for his income, ensuring every rupee had a purpose. Moreover, this newfound stability drastically reduced his stress levels. Money worries, once a constant cloud over his head, started to dissipate. He was able to focus more on his personal growth and less on his financial woes, but the benefits didn't stop there. The 50-30-20 rule also empowered Raj to plan for the future. He started saving for a house, for retirement, and even for that dream vacation to the Maldives. And ultimately, Raj achieved what we all strive for: financial freedom. His money was no longer a source of stress, but a tool for living a life he loved. Raj's story is a testament to the power of effective money management. Could the 50-30-20 rule work for you? It's never too late to take control of your financial health. Embrace the power of the 50-30-20 rule. It's a simple yet effective strategy that can positively transform your financial future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Your engagement means the world to us.